journalist, freedom fighter, Nobel Peace Prize winner. Yan ang Pangulo ng Timor-Leste na si Dr. Jose Ramos Horta na bumisita sa GMA Network ngayong araw. Sinalubong siya tinanggap ng mga opisyal ng GMA sa pangunguna ni GMA Network Incorporated Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon.
We deeply admire your strong commitment not just to democracy but also to journalism. In GMA, we believe that the media are holders of public trust, which is so delicate and crucial for democracy and freedom to flourish in the country.
Pinasalamatan ni President Ramos Horta ang pagkilalang ibinigay sa kanya ng GMA. Binigyan din naman niya ang pagkakapareho ng Timor-Leste at Pilipinas, parehong katolikong bansa, parehong sinakop, lumaban at lumaya.
I have the greatest respect for Filipinos. Sometimes I joke with American and Chinese friends. They fight each other all the time. Who is going to rule the world? I said, well, while you people are fighting, one day we all wake up and the Filipinos are the one ruling the world. Filipinos are everywhere.
Naroon din sa pulong sina GMA EVP and Chief Financial Officer Felipe Yalong, Senior Vice President Annette Gozon Valdez, SVP and Head of GMA Integrated News, Regional TV and Synergy, Oliver Victor Amoroso, SVP and Head of Entertainment Group, Lilibeth Razonable, at VP and Head of Corporate Affairs and Communications, Angel Javier Cruz. Tutulong naman daw ang GMA Network sa pagpapakalat ng tamang impormasyon tungkol sa Timor-Leste at sa kampanya nitong ipakilala ang pinakabatang demokrasya sa Asya. Bukas makikipagpulong si Ramos Horta kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa Malacanang.